So as this is the day of A1 or Anaheim 1, whatever you want to call it, I want to hear your predictions. So in the comments below, you tell me, who do you think is going to win? How well do you think Roczen's going to do on his new team? Who's going to have the best team, i.e. Star Racing, Pro Circuit, Yamaha, whatever you want to say, Suzuki, whatever it is. How well do you think everyone's going to do? Like, what's your top 5 in both 450 and 250? Do you think Jet's going to win? Do you think the Pro Circuit boys are going to win? And who do you think is going to be the surprise? Obviously, there's some people who have moved. There are some names that have swapped around, whatever you want to call it. I want to know your surprise. Like, what racer do you think is going to be the breakout this year? Whether it's a 250 guy, say maybe McAdoo wins everything, or who knows? Name somebody. RJ Hampshire this year decides to be just incredible and win everything. Or do you think it's going to be the big guys, Jet Lawrence winning everything, fighting with Austin Faulkner and McAdoo, and Eli Tomac in the 450s just dominating like he did last year? Or do you think Roczen's going to come back and dominate? Maybe Dean Wilson on a new team? Maybe, who knows? Max Anstey comes up and wins. I don't know. But in the comments below, I want to hear your predictions. Tell me who you think's going to win, well, let's do an early thing. Who you think's going to win the championship this year? Let's get that right out there. And whatever you want to do, comment it down below. I want to know what you want to know, or I want to know what you think, because it's fun for me. And obviously, playing the YouTube algorithm game, comments are always nice. So make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, do whatever you want. With that, I appreciate it a lot. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.